Ethereum cost pretty equivalent to $1,865.56 a coin in a genuinely significant manner. The present exchange cost range, $1,862.86 $1,883.61 in an unpretentious way. The earlier day close, $1,866.48 in an unobtrusive way. The change for the most part was 0.92, 0.05% in an unpretentious way. Backwards rate, USD to ETH, or so they fundamentally thought. Ethereum value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month, or so they truly thought. Ethereum cost forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost $18.91, genuinely most extreme 2023, kind of least $17.59 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum estimate on Friday, April 28, cost $18.71, genuinely most extreme 2002, really least $17.40. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 1, cost $18.59. Fundamentally most extreme 1989, lovely least 1729 in a genuinely large way. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 2, cost $18.84, lovely most extreme 2016, sort of least 1752, which is genuinely critical. In multi-week Ethereum cost expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost $17.93, really most extreme 1919, especially least 1667 in an unpretentious way. Ethereum estimate on Thursday, May 4, cost $17.99, greatest 1925, by and large least 1673, or so they generally thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 5, cost $16.56, by and large most extreme 1772, certainly least 1540 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost $16.79, truly greatest 1797, really least 1561 in a sort of significant manner. Ethereum cost forecast on Tuesday, May 9, cost $16.44, especially most extreme 1759, lovely least 1529 in an unpretentious way. In about 14 days Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 10, cost $16.66, sort of greatest 1783, beautiful least 1549, or so they explicitly thought. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $16.59, for the most part greatest 1775, sort of least 1543 in an exceptionally significant manner. Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 12, cost $17.31, truly most extreme 1852, kind of least 1610 in an unobtrusive way. Ethereum cost forecast on Monday, May 15, cost $18.17, essentially most extreme 1944, by and large least 1690 in a by and large significant manner. Ethereum conjecture on Tuesday, May 16, cost $18.43, truly most extreme 1972, really least 1714. In 3 weeks Ethereum cost forecast on Wednesday, May 17, cost $18.24, exceptionally greatest 1952, least 1696 in a truly significant way. Ethereum conjecture on Thursday, May 18, cost $18.74, truly greatest 2005, certainly least 1743, which truly is genuinely huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Friday, May 19, cost $18.84, by and large greatest 2016, for the most part least 1752 in an unobtrusive manner. Ethereum figure on Monday, May 22, cost $18.69, kind of greatest 2000, especially least 1738, which in every way that really matters, is very huge. Ethereum cost expectation on Tuesday, May 23, cost $18.61, really greatest 1991, especially least 1731 in an unobtrusive way. In about a month Ethereum conjecture on Wednesday, May 24, cost $18.25, most certainly greatest 1953 in every practical sense, least 1697, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $18.62, beautiful greatest 1992, least 1732, or so they in a real sense thought. Ethereum figure on Friday, May 26, cost $19.41, kind of greatest 2077, in every way that really matters, least 1805, or so they generally thought. USD to ETH conversion scale fundamentally equivalent to 0.5360 coins per $1,000 in an unobtrusive manner. Today, S-reach, 0.5309-0.5368 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S-nearby, 0.5358, which in a real sense shows that Ethereum value kind of equivalent to $1,865.56 a coin. which really is genuinely huge. Change for now plus 0.0002, plus 0.04% in an all things considered significant way. USD to ETH cost figure for in the not so distant future and month. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Thursday, April 27, cost 0.529 coins. Certainly greatest 0.569, essentially least 0.494. So Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 25, cost $18.62. Truly most extreme $19.92, especially least $17.32, or so they thought. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, April 28, cost 0.534 coins. Genuinely greatest 0.575, genuinely least 0.500 in a quite huge way. Dollar to Ethereum figure on Monday, May 1, cost 0.538 coins. Genuinely most extreme 0.578, especially least 0.503 in an exceptionally significant way. USD to ETH forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost 0.531 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.571, genuinely least 0.496 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Ethereum gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost 0.558 coins. In every way that really matters. Greatest 0.600, genuinely least 0.521, or so they all things considered thought. USD to ETH expectation on Thursday, May 4, cost 0.556 coins. In every practical sense, most extreme 0.598, really least 0.519. Dollar to Ethereum conjecture on Friday, May 5, cost 0.604 coins. Essentially most extreme 0.649, exceptionally least 0.564. USD to ETH forecast on Monday, May 8, cost 0.596 coins. Greatest 0.641, really least 0.556, showing how Ethereum cost expectation on Thursday, May 11, cost $16.59. By and large most extreme $17.75, exceptionally least $15.43, which truly is very huge. Dollar to Ethereum estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost 0.608 coins. Sort of most extreme 0.654, essentially least 0.569, which sort of is genuinely huge. In about 14 days USD to ETH expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost 0.600 coins. Most certainly greatest 0.646, sort of least 0.561. Kind of additional appearance how in about a month Ethereum figure on Wednesday, May 24, cost $18.25, genuinely greatest $19.53, truly least $16.97. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Thursday, May 11, cost 0.603 coins. Essentially greatest 0.648, truly least 0.563, which truly is genuinely huge. USD to ETH expectation on Friday, May 12, cost 0.578 coins. Fundamentally greatest 0.621, especially least 0.540, exhibiting that Ethereum cost forecast on Friday, May 5, cost $16.56. Essentially most extreme $17.72, really least $15.40 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Ethereum gauge on Monday, May